Hello, today we are going to make Dalgona coffee. So what we need is, we need 4 tablespoons of coffee because we're going to make 2 servings. And then we need 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, and we need 500 ml of water, or we need 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of water. And then we need to use a blender to mix the ingredients. So there's 4 tablespoons of coffee, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of water. So you just keep on mixing it. Product. Next step is we can pour milk now into our glass with ice. So we just added ice in there. That's how it looks. And then we can pour our mixture. Looks good. So this is our finished product, Dalgona coffee with milk and ice.